Hello everyone and welcome back to the Mario Decentralized channel. Today we are going to talk about the happening in the market right now. Bitcoin dipped again to $112,000. We can see that here it's very important that we create here a higher low. So I would definitely like for us to stay above this zone right here. This is an important zone, and now we have to bounce back and create a higher high at around $117,000. That would be the very good scenario. If not, we have support here at 112, and later we have another support here at 110. Afterwards, if we go below that, I wouldn't like to go below that because this will invalidate basically the head and shoulders pattern, guys, from here. So that would be not so nice. If we go below the 108, basically the inverse head and shoulder pattern is invalidated. So for now, I'm still staying positive. We can see here Bitcoin still showing some strength with a nice bounce back. Let's go over here on the 15-minute chart so we can take a look at it. We can see here nice bounce back, already forming some green candles, which are nice for now. We just need to go above the $115,000 so we can create a new higher high. This is very important for Bitcoin right now. Many of my trades, as we can see here, Solana is only $500 in the profits. Yesterday we were almost at $2,000 in profits. Now it's only $500, so around $1,500 less. My link position minus $2,000. My Doge position minus almost $5,000 here. Even though I realized some gains on the Doge position, we can see here $755 realized. On the link position also I realized like 164, even though the prices are not quite nice now. My VeChain position also below $1,000 in profits, which is also not so nice. Uniswap also retracing quite a lot. So we will look for some new trade opportunities in these videos. Should we go short or not, or should we buy some more? Make sure you stay tuned until the end if you don't want to miss on these life-changing trading opportunities. And now back to Bitcoin for now. Let's go above the 115K. Let's see what will happen in the next couple of days. I'm still quite bullish. I think many people are bullish right now. So this is basically just probably the last shakeout before the big pump. Now let's go over here, go to Ethereum. We are back at 3,571. Couple of days ago, we dipped down below to $357, and from there we had a nice bounce back. I would definitely like that we hold this support zone right here. We are basically exactly on the support zone right here. We were facing some resistance before, and I would definitely like for the support zone to hold and for us to create a new higher high. And with that being said, we will also go back into this parabolic channel for Ethereum, guys. You can see it right here. We were almost back yesterday, and now we rejected it. Unfortunately, this is not good for the altcoins, I have to say. We might take some actions in this video, or at least this week, if the market doesn't change. If we see probably a new lower low, I might take some more profits from my Ethereum trade right here, currently up 26k, and I already realized over 17k here on this Ethereum trade. It was up on another, was last week it was up like 35k in unrealized profits. Now it's a little bit less, so we have to be careful. You can see my account is having big swings. Last week we were 40k more here, so you can see in just 1 week you can basically lose 40k in unrealized gains. That's the crypto market. That's what you need to be prepared for. Keep your emotions in place and always make calm and clear decisions. For now, once we go below the zone, I'll have to close some of my positions, or I will probably open some short hedge position, because you can see my entry point for Ethereum is amazing, 2,570. I think it's quite unlikely that we will go there. Now on the 1 hourly, we are almost oversold here. So once we will be oversold, I'll probably add something to some of the altcoins position. I'm not sure about Ethereum because my entry point is already very good. My trade is quite big already, so I don't have to. On the 4 hourlies, we also had a nice dip here to the oversold zone, and now we are retracing down again. So let's see what will happen for Ethereum. on the daily, we have a M pattern here on the RSI, still not oversold, so it's not the best time to buy. But now we also have a little bit of a small altcoin season, a small Ethereum season, so to say, and we don't have to go into the sold zone. We can also just create here a nice uptrend for the RSI and create another leg to the upside, and then slowly consolidate above the $4,000 area. That would be ideal. Now all of the other altcoins are down 2, 3, 4%. Yesterday we had a nice green day for the altcoin, and Sunday was also a green day. Now everything is slightly moving sideways or downwards, which is not so beautiful if you are in a long position, but it's beautiful if you're not in a long position, because you can look for new entry points right here, guys. For now, some of my actually Tia, or I like more Tao. Where is Tao beaten sword? Let's look for it. Sui below $3.40. BNB quite stable, guys. We can see here holding very close to all-time high, just around 10% dip from the all-time high, which is not so bad. Even Ethereum is dipped around 10%, and even Bitcoin is down 10% from the previous all-time high. So BNB holding very strong. Doge again below 20 cents. This is not good to see. Solana, maybe I'll add some more to my Solana position. I think that's what I'll probably do. Let's see here, 162. I'll add another 1.4k. And guys, if you want to trade like you see me do, here in the description down below, you can find the link to VX where you can sign up. You just click this link, you open it, and you can get up to $30,000 in bonuses. You will also join the decentralized trading community and will take part in many other competitions and campaign. So make sure you sign up with my video. It's an exclusive offer just for the decentralized family. So make sure you take advantage of it. Now, for now, I edit some more. I edit another limit order for my Solana position, and let's see where everything will go. Like even just now, $300 down just since I started this video. So the market is very volatile. I'm still very bullish on Solana though. So let's see where the market will end. For now, we are forming some good formations here, guys. We can see it here. We are basically forming a higher low, another higher low, and also higher high, and before we had also another higher high. So this might be just a nice shakeout, and we might go for a higher price target of around 290, where was the previous all-time high, and afterwards maybe even higher. So let's see what will happen in the next upcoming days. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to take profits. See you all again next time. Bye.